back, everybody. I'm Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More, and I'm here to talk to you about something that many of you have been asking for. When we talk about replacing motors and gaskets and so forth on your stove, many of you have been asking us, do you have one kit to where if I want to, say in spring when I shut my stove down, take my stove off, disconnect it from the liner or the chimney system, put it out in the shop up on the bench or whatever, and completely overhaul it? Do you have a gasket kit assembly put together for those of us out here that like to do that or want to do that? Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We have answered your prayers. Today, we are announcing that we have a new Austroflamm Rika Overhaul Kit. This kit's pretty much going to help you rebuild your stove gasket-wise in order to eliminate any air leaks that could possibly be affecting your stove from functioning properly. Alrighty, so if you would like one, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com, or you can give us a call at 800-348-1021, and give us at least 24 hours to get back to you from the months of September to March, and it could be possibly into April unless what's his name, Punkatani Phil, the groundhog, says that we're not supposed to have as long of a winter, but I don't know. I've seen on TikTok that Punkatani Phil, that groundhog's doing drugs, so you never know. So anyhow, you guys stay safe out there. Thank you for all of the wonderful comments and all of the support that you give to Julie and I. We truly appreciate it. And a huge shout out to all of the military and first responders out there that are sacrificing so much in keeping our country and our streets safe. Thanks a lot.